Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making roasted fish and roasted plantain. That's fish and bole, Port Harcourt style. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave your comment and share the video, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So here is my fish. I'm using the mackerel fish. You can use any fish of your choice. I love this mackerel fish a lot. I got this fish for 2,300 naira. And this is my plantain. I got this plantain for 1,000 naira. So I've already washed and cleaned the fish, and I've already washed and cleaned the plantain to have removed every dirt, all the dirt yama yama that is inside the fish. I've already cleaned it. So for my marinade, I'm using onions, yellow pepper, red pepper, ginger, garlic. Okay, so I'm just going to be adding everything inside the blender now. So I'm going to blend. I added vegetable oil to lock up everything. Okay, I didn't use water to blend. I used vegetable oil to blend. So now I'm just going to blend everything to smooth. Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed, you have not liked this video, please like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video, okay? And let me know where you're watching me from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. So now I'm going to transfer my marinade inside this plate. And then I will go in with my seasonings, okay? I'm adding curry powder. Curry powder here is optional. If you don't want, you can just skip it, but I'm adding it. It's optional. Skip it if you don't want to. I'll also add in salt, and then I will go in with my all-purpose seasoning. Then I'm going to mix all this together to combine everything together. So it's Sunday today, and I was craving for fish and plantains so badly. Like, I was so craving for it. I had to go out and buy some. Okay, I just bought everything and I said let me make it myself instead of buying it, and I enjoyed it. And it's so easy, it takes less time to do. Like, just mix everything and put it in the oven, okay? So I'm going to set this aside now, and then I'll peel my plantain. So for the fish, I'm going to be making some insertions on the fish. This is so the marinades can penetrate very well in the fish, or the seasoning and everything can penetrate very well in the fish, okay? I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then I will go in with some salt now. I'm going to first apply salt on the fish. Then I'll add in my marinade. You are going to massage this very well. Make sure that everything entered inside the fish very, very well. Okay, guys, have you subscribed to the channel? Have you liked this video? Have you? If you have not liked this video, please like this video and leave your comment for me in the comment section. Okay, don't forget to share the video. Okay, help me to share my video. I will repeat the same with the plantain too. Here is the fish ready to be grilled. Okay, the fish is ready to enter inside the oven, and also this is the plantain. I'm just going to put this in the oven and then I will grill them. And guys, our fish and plantain is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to like this video, leave your comment for me in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed up to now, I don't know why, please subscribe. Okay, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and do all that beautiful stuff to the channel. Guys, don't forget to tell me where you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. And if you want to appreciate me further, you can always use the thanks button. Thank you for watching. Bye.